This short video will review unpacking and installing the Tork Elevation Matic Dispenser. Each Tork Matic dispenser comes individually packed. It comes with standard Tork key and mounting hardware. Once you open your dispenser using Tork key, you'll find the operating manual and installation template. You'll need to have on hand a tape measure, tape, pencil, Phillips head screwdriver, and drill. Mark the wall using the installation template, paying special attention to the ADA height guidelines noted on the template. Tape the template to the wall at the height required. Hold your dispenser up to the template and using your pencil, mark the spots in the variable slots where you will be drilling. Note that there's a level built in the dispenser to ensure it's installed correctly, which will help ensure proper dispensing. Drill the holes, remove the template, and insert the supplied anchors. Attach the dispenser using the supplied mounting hardware. The business card holder allows you to place your contact information or customer service to aid in reordering of refills or for any questions.